Hey, it's the How To Girl Courtney 6 here in Tahiti with Viate, and
Yes.
we're learning how to make Tahitian flower crowns. This is a dream come true for me, and you are so kind to make
My pleasure.
this happen.
You know.
So cool. That's so easy.
And the other one.
Okay. Okay.
And the other one.
Wow. I never knew you could do this.
Yeah. Is that coconut palm, huh? This one, huh?
Coconut palm.
Yeah.
Oh, from like actual palm tree.
Yeah.
Ah, cool.
And now you have to cross.
You did
like
braid it?
this.
Okay.
You have to, you know, your hand at the back have to hold the, have to go this,
Okay.
like this. And you keep going again. You crossing, have to palm. And you
Oh,
keep going.
this is easy. So it's kind of just like doing
Yeah.
a braid.
Okay, and then all the time when do you have to squeeze it here, huh? Squeeze.
Make it tight.
Yeah,
Okay.
and you continue. You go. You go.
I'm pretty fast, right?
Yeah. Good. You have to stop here and then you have to tie like this.
A little knot.
Like this.
Oh,
Let me.
I'll let you tie it.
Yes, just the first one and the second one you do by yourself. See, like this.
Uh-huh.
And you tie it. Okay, and you do
Okay.
the second one again.
Okay.
Okay.
Right in the little
Inside, yeah.
pocket.
You close everything
Okay.
because everything is already whole.
Oh, got it. Okay.
Yeah.
See how cool that is? You could take a picture if you want. Whatever's easy. He thinks I boss him around.
Do you think she bosses me around?
I don't know. And now try to tie it down. Yeah. You have to tie. Try to do by yourself.
Okay.
Don't push hard.
Okay.
Just okay. Take your time. There we go. Another one. Okay, another one in case.
Okay.
Perfect.
Yay!
And I had to cut here, cut like this.
And
You do
cut
just
right here?
Yeah. Just tie the beginning one. There we go.
How many flower crowns have you made in your life?
Oh, more than 100 maybe? I don't know.
I bet more than that.
I'm sure. Probably 1,000.
I started when I was probably 15 years old because
Really?
I dance in a little group that I had to make my own
Oh,
flower
really?
crown.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
because my mom tell me if you like to dance, so you have to learn how to
Make
to,
it.
do, to make it the flower crown.
Yeah.
80 flowers depends what color you prefer,
Okay.
and you take it. And this also, this is the leaves. And you can make also the basilic.
This is fresh basil.
Especially, I always start by the leaves first,
Okay.
like this.
So I grab 3
Yep.
of these.
3, like this. Okay, one by one,
Okay.
like that.
Oh. So you kind of fan them out.
Yeah,
Okay.
and then you tie it. It's okay.
Yeah. Oh, I see what you're doing, Missy.
And then you choose maybe this one. this, you know?
Oh, so kind of angle it.
Exactly. Right. Perfect.
Just one time?
Yeah, only
Okay.
one time.
Okay.
Because you hold on the thing, so
Right.
only one time.
Okay.
And you have to be underneath.
In the middle.
Wow.
Got it. Okay. So keep the stems
Yeah.
straight with the base.
Take flower.
Okay. Add 1, 2,
Two, and you tie. But that one have to tie twice.
because there's 2.
Two. 1,
2.
and 2.
Okay. So we're just gonna keep repeating this, switching.
And then any
Our flowers up.
flowers, you can take red, whatever you want.
I
Like
love
pink,
bougainvillea. So
the
pretty.
pink, like this. Take one, yeah.
Okay.
I take the red one, okay?
Okay.
And you put just on the middle. Take one. Go to the, like more here. No, you have to put at the front.
Oh, at the front. That's right.
Let me show you.
Like
Yeah.
that? Ah, I see. So we're going downwards. Try to keep it straight.
Right. Again.
One more time.
Usually this hand you
You
don't
never move it.
no move it here.
Okay.
Because that one is just for holding here the back.
Okay. We're adding on to the ribbon because I'm heavy-handed in wrapping it. Okay. Looking good?
Yeah. Take the bougainvillea, one more. Okay.
And then,
And you
ooh, that's
finish with
cute.
this.
I love that.
Take this
Okay.
to the
Like that?
like this. Take that one too, one more. Yeah, and you tie it.
This is a pretty way to finish it up.
Put
I
on
can't
that.
believe that I made
Put
this.
on you.
How does it look?
Dancing.
Tahitian dance. I don't know how they dance here though. That's the hula. That's not it.